Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to install Tomcat on Ubuntu 24.04. So Tomcat is a free and open source Java servlet container, a software application that executes Java server pages, JSP, and Java servlets. It is widely used for deploying Java-based web applications. So we will see the process step by step, including installing Java, creating a dedicated Tomcat user, downloading and extracting the Tomcat archive, and configuring systemd and verifying the installation. So first, let's see the prerequisites. So first, you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have a Java development kit installed. So let's move with the practical. So our first step is install Java on Ubuntu 24.04. Now to install Tomcat, you should have Java installed. So let's first update the package repositories. For that, command is sudo apt update. So let's copy this command and paste it. Now next, let's install the OpenJDK for Java. So let's copy this command and paste it. Yes. This may take some time. So now our OpenJDK is installed. Now our next step is create a Tomcat user. For security reasons, it's best to not to run the Tomcat as a root user. So let's create a user and a group. For that, we will use sudo user add command. So let's copy it and paste it. This command creates a user named Tomcat with the home directory at opt Tomcat, and here the bin false prevents the login access. So that's why it's used here. So our next step is install Tomcat on Ubuntu. So let's install it. We will install the latest version, which is 10.1.24 of the Tomcat. So let's copy this command. We will download the tar file. Now our download is complete. So let's extract it. Let's copy this command and paste it. This will extract the files into the opt Tomcat directory. Now our files are also extracted. Our next step is update the permissions of Tomcat. Here we will change the ownership of the Tomcat directory to the Tomcat user and group. For that we will use the sudo chown command. Now after updating the permissions, our next step is configure Tomcat as a service. So for that, first we will navigate to the etc systemd system directory. Copy this command and paste it. Now we are inside this directory. So let's create a Tomcat service file. We will use the sudo nano tomcat.service command. So this is our tomcat.service file. So let's copy it and paste it. Here you can see the inside the unit section, the description describes, sorry, the description describes the service, which is Tomcat server. Then after equals to network.target tells that the Tomcat service should start after the network is available. And next is service section. Here type equals to forking, which indicates the startup type of the service, and forking means that the service will create a new process when it starts. Then user equals to Tomcat, group is Tomcat which you have created, then environment, then it gives the path to the OpenJDK which we have installed in the Java home, then working directory which is OPT Tomcat Apache Tomcat 10.1.24. Then last is exec start. This specifies the command to start the service and it points to the Tomcat startup point, which is OPT Tomcat Apache Tomcat. Then the last section is install. Here it's wanted by equals to multi-user target. It specifies the target under which the service should start automatically. So let's save the file. Now after creating the file, our next step is reload systemd and start the Tomcat service. So first we will load the daemon to apply the changes. So let's copy this command, which is sudo systemctl daemon hyphen reload. Paste. After this, we will start the Tomcat using the sudo systemctl start Tomcat command. After starting the Tomcat, we will enable the Tomcat to start on boot. For that command is sudo systemctl enable Tomcat. Now our Tomcat is enabled. So let's verify that your service is running properly or not. Public IP address in the URL section with the port number 8080, which is the default port for Tomcat. Hit enter. So as you can see, our Apache Tomcat is running properly. So today we have seen how to install the Tomcat on Ubuntu 24.04. Its process is straightforward process that involves updating your system, then installing Java, creating a Tomcat user, downloading and configuring the Tomcat, setting up the system the service, and adjusting the firewall. So by following these steps, you can easily install Tomcat and set up a robust environment for deploying Java-based applications on your server. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.